What's up, Po Nation? Today we are in my garage. It needs a little spring cleaning, just to focus on that. Today we're doing a little something different. I have here ordered a brand new hitting net, $40 on Amazon, free shipping, the Amazon Prime. I see you. So today we are going to unbox this and try to set this up. It shouldn't require too many tools, so hopefully I can put this together. So grab your popcorn. This will probably be a long one. Ooh. Oh, God. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, I do have all the parts laid out. As you can see, it did come with instructions, thank God. It also came with these kind of like spike things. I'm pretty sure these are for when you want to put it outside so they stay in the ground. So long it takes me to complete this. Doesn't look too complicated. I can tell legs right here. That's the net. So if we can get all these other pieces together, we should be in pretty good shape. So yeah, enjoy me struggling for the next 15 or so minutes. Again, sorry for the lighting, guys. I know it's not the best. There's like one single light bulb in this entire garage. It's kind of chilly, too. Don't worry. I actually also just got a new bike for Christmas, so when the springtime comes, we're going to be doing a mountain biking video, so stay tuned for that if you're into endurance sports. Let's see. These look fairly simple. All right, let's make sure we got everything. We got the K-shaped brackets. We've got the horizontal poles. I think these are the base poles. These look like the FRP poles. We got the nets, the ground piece, and the carry bag. Okay. Step 1, take out the two K-shaped brackets, which would be these. Came with foam on them. Slides right off. Ooh, I think oh! I didn't think about opening the garage for better light. Thanks, Mom. Okay. Let's take out this next pole. Nice. Okay, now unfold the horizontal pole. Attach the horizontal pole to the two K-shaped brackets. Okay, so the horizontal pole looks like it's one piece. So whatever these things in one piece are, oh, it's probably this thing. Is this one piece? No, this is two pieces. These look like the FRP poles. Okay, what is the horizontal pole? Do I have the horizontal pole? It should be labeled B. Are there labels on these? Holy. Okay, these are the base poles. These look like more base poles. Okay. So I'm just gonna assume this is the horizontal pole, maybe. It looks long. I don't. Okay, there's one pole. Get two poles. Hey, Mom. Oof. I should put my gloves on. Okay. Let me put my hat on, guys. It's getting a little chilly. The lighting is better now, though. Oof. I know people make fun of me for wearing my ski mask, but I'm telling you, I have not been sick once this year. Once. Okay. Gloves on. Safety acquired. Okay. FRP poles. Horizontal. It's not the horizontal. I think I have two sets of base poles, but not a horizontal pole, which would suck. Yep. Yep, because these are the horizontal. Okay. So, where's the base pole? I think this is the base pole, guys. Oh, I think I figured it out. Did I? We'll see. Oh, yep, this is the base pole. It's the thick one. Ooh, that slides right in. I usually hate these kinds of things with the push downs and the slide ins because they pinch my finger. Yep, there we go. Ugh. Locked. Nice. Okay. Hey, you can leave it open. I like the lighting. Okay. Now, slide these in. Ugh. Nice. There's one. There's two. All right. Now, we just gotta put the base poles on. You want the side with this kind of end to be up because that's where the net's gonna clip on. Okay. Okay. Second one. Okay. Now we just gotta put the net on. I think. What are these extra poles for? Oh, these are for the sides. I probably should have done those first. Yep. You gotta put these on the sides for more stability. Oh. There we go. One side. Yeah, I'm really liking how easily these just slip in, guys. Almost fell. Okay, one more. The bar's supposed to go like that. I think it is. Okay. I feel like I'm supposed to flip this. Should these be on top? I don't really know. I don't think it matters much, but let's put this last leg on. Nope, that's the right way. Okay. There we go. Alright. Now we just gotta put the net on. Where'd my knife go? Oh. Oh yeah, the company that this is from is called ChamGoal. And like I said, I ordered it on Amazon. It's $40. I think that's not a bad price. If softball or baseball is something that you invest a lot of time in, I think it makes sense. Okay. You want the ends with the loops to go on top. If I can get this on there. I've always struggled with this part. I'm kind of short. Okay, there we go. I like that this is all one piece, because the ones that we use for softball are like multiple pieces. So if you lose one piece, it all comes tumbling down. This sticks together pretty well. Thread the loop. Do it on this side. Uh-oh, I accidentally put the bottom on first. Nope, did I? Wait. Let's see. Yep, nope. That is the bottom. Oopsie daisy. Other way around. Oh no. Ah! Alright, guys. I was untruthful. This is the side that goes on top. So that this other part can Velcro around the bottom. I'll show you guys in a sec. Let me make sure before I put it back on. Yep, okay. So you want this part on top. Oh, my hands are starting to get cold. I need to hurry. I need to hurry. Bam. There we go. Okay. Other end. Same thing. Make sure it's right side up. Alright, let's see if I can make this work. Might need Mom to come out here and help me. Oh my god. Maybe I should have put both ends on first. Might be able to do this if I get on the ladder. Ooh. Okay. Ladder time. Ah. Oh my god. This could go horribly. Horribly, right? Horribly. I mean, or really well. Oh, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna take it off. Oh my god, guys, I'm a genius. I think I'm gonna take it off and then I'm gonna thread it through. Oh, and then put it back. Oh my god. Absolute brilliance. Brilliance on my part. Okay, there we go. Ugh. Hook this bit on. Can't feel my fingers. What I do for good video quality. Okay, and then we're gonna put it back in. Go back in. We shall see. Oops. It's fighting me, guys. It's fighting me. I think that's in there. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, now we're gonna Velcro this around the bottom. If I can open it, I can't feel my fingers. So close, guys. So close. All right, take 5. Okay, we had to take 5, guys, because it was not going great. You know, I had to close the garage door because it is absolutely frigid. I cannot feel my toes. I had to put my Chewbacca Crocs on. I already got my Santa socks on. But I am determined to build this net. Part 2, Naya versus Hitting Net. Commence.
Fight!
Hey, so I accidentally hit stop video, but I actually got it in, guys. Look. I did that. Just me. Only me. No one else helped. Wait. No, I'm just joking. Okay. Velcro wrap this final part. So see, I had the sides flipped because the Velcro wrap is actually supposed to go on the bottom. We got a Velcro wrap clipped on the bottom. Now we just gotta put these elastic sides on this little foam thing here. I don't know how well that foam thing's gonna hold up. I might eventually have to replace that as, you know, wear and tear happens. But for right now, it shall do. Maybe. I'm definitely gonna need a shower after this. Okay. There's one. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna hold, but there's that. Time to get 2. Go over here. Ooh. Do the same thing. Ugh. Ah. The things I do for your entertainment. Okay. There we go. And we are finished. Guys, you ready for the grand reveal? Voila! Sorry, I know it's pretty big actually. It's hard to get it off frame, but voila! It's so beautiful. Ignore the mess. It's so beautiful. Now I can come out and hit in my garage whenever I want to. Rain or shine, hot or cold. I think I'm gonna give this. What am I gonna give this? I'm gonna give this product. I'll give it a B plus. I'll give it like an 8.5. I think it was kind of hard to get this one other pole in, so I docked it like half a point for that, and I think I'm gonna dock it for a full point for like the the foam endings on the side of it, because like I said, I'll probably have to replace those eventually. And that $40, like I said, on Amazon. ChamGoal. I think it's a pretty good investment. Like for that price, like for $40, I mean, why not? If you play softball, if you play baseball, but obviously Indiana is crazy. It can get negative 10 degrees one day, be in the 40s the next. You never know whether you're going to be inside or outside during the season. So having an extra hitting net doesn't hurt. You can just pop it right up in your garage, take some swings, and yeah, I would definitely recommend. B-roll of me hitting some. Sorry, B-roll of me doing some tee work coming right now. Hey guys, so I'm about to shoot some B-roll tee work like I promised, but just before I got to that, I wanted to share with you guys a little hack. I know like softball equipment can be pretty expensive. I know softball equipment can be pretty expensive. You walk in a Meijer and there's like a bucket of 12 softballs for $69.99, and you're like, really? $70 for a dozen balls? So one of the things I like to do is personally, I like to go to places like Lowe's, Home Depot. That's where I got this bucket. And I got this bucket at Lowe's. I think it was like the summer before ninth grade, like after eighth. I got that bucket at Lowe's for, honestly, I can't even remember because it was so long ago, but it couldn't have been any more than like $10 for just the bucket. And then you go to a place like Play It Again Sports, and they'll literally have like a whole pit of used softballs for like $1, like what, probably $2 a ball. And that's kind of what I did with this. See if I can open the lid. Show you guys the Lowe's bucket. Take the lid off. I will say that this lid is hard. Okay, so technical difficulty. I always forget to not put this lid on because it's impossible to get off. BRB. Finally got the lid off. So like I said, this is how I got this like random assortment of balls. Just price hack I thought I'd share with you guys, and remind me to throw away this lid. All right, thank you guys for watching. This has been another episode of Post Perspective. All right, thank you guys for watching. This has been another episode of Post Perspective. Po out. Fireworks. And before you ask, this hole in the wall came with the house.
Mhm.